You searched how to buy shares of Safehold Inc. Safehold is a real estate company focused on long-term ground leases for commercial properties. It trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker SAFE, US. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need an account with a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will normally need to verify your identity, which usually requires an ID document. You will also need to add funds to the account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SAFE, US to find Safehold Inc. Select the listing that clearly shows Safehold Inc. and the NASDAQ market to ensure it's the correct stock. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the right stock. Check the market listed as NASDAQ and the ticker SAFE, US before proceeding. Click the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued to execute when the market opens. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order is processed, your position will appear in your portfolio. For the demonstration, link to eToro is in the description below.